Greeting everyone, this is HEV250, a 2x 50-watt, Bluetooth V5.0 audio amplifier, and HDMI 2.0 audio extractor. HEV250 comes integrated with a QCC3034 5.0 Bluetooth module, meaning HEV250 works as a Bluetooth amplifier. Moreover, HEV250 can function as a headphone amplifier, which you can simply connect your headphone for personal listening. Other than that, HEV250 comes with HDMI 2.0 audio extractor. HEV250 can work as a stereo 50 watts audio amplifier powered by TAS5768 I2S AMP IC from Texas Instruments. And as we can see, HEV250 comes with two HDMI output, therefore act as an HDMI splitter to display your video to your TV or monitor. In this video, we will make streaming setup ideas, with using HEV250 to connect to Google Chromecast with Google TV, which compatible with HDMI and capable of 4K Ultra HD, 60 FPS. We will begin with the guide setup. As we demonstrate, we will let you know where you should spend more, or save, with less expensive option for your streaming setup. It is the only device with a pure digital connection that can connect to well-known multi-room devices such as Google Chromecast, and at different generations of it. For less than $90, we can explore how the HEV250 and Google Chromecast make setting up a streaming system a joy. With their pure digital multi-room solution, we can easily connect multiple rooms or devices within your home to the streaming system like Netflix, Spotify and more. After completing the setup process, you can start to connect your Google Chromecast to Google Home app on your casting device. Then, choose a name for your Chromecast device. This will help you identify your Chromecast later. After that, make sure to connect your Chromecast to the same Wi-Fi network as your casting device. After completing the setup, we will start streaming music on the YouTube app and connect it to Google Chromecast. And as for the casting device, we are using iPhone SE2 in this video demonstration.
She sits alone on the floor of her bedroom, waiting for answers, wasting time.
Additionally, you can adjust the volume level from your casting device itself for your convenience.
So the sound